Starting with the basics, we can perform fault code readings, and we can clear fault codes so we can determine which are the temporary and permanent status codes. If we go here, we're gonna have a look at what the proprietary codes will look like. This is not generic fault code information. This is a specific coming directly from the brand or manufacturer. As we can see, we've got the 4805. We've got a fault code on the injection pump connected to the bank end 1 engine block. We have a short circuit to the battery positive. If I need to see additional information of this fault, I'm gonna take a look here, and I can check the freeze frame data. I can check the last date and hour of occurrence. I can also identify system state if it's an active or inactive fault code, and also I can see the priority that we have on the fault. If I'm not sure what is this about, I can go here and take a look at the fault code troubleshooting. This is to help my mechanics team to be able to run a step-by-step guide process like a repair service manual, in which we're going to be able to provide a series of tests in which we're going to be able to identify and determine what the main cause for the fault code is, and also provide a solution, right? If it's something related to electronics, we're going to be able to calibrate or reset any fault code troubleshootings that we might have. If it's a mechanical replacement or component that we might need, the system will definitely let us know. So we've got fault code troubleshootings. We can see a breakdown step by step on what possible causes and procedures we might perform to run a test and check the fault code troubleshooting. So you can see we've got step number 1, check the unit pump. Step number 2, check the performance unitary, so forth and so on. I can run lab measurements and system displays. We got the fuel system display on this engine. We can see the engine torque live measurements at the same time. We can try to see engine state, some fuel sensor temperatures and battery voltage. I can do manual selection to check out what measurements I'd like. I can see a total of 54 sensors onto this Mercedes engine. If I want to take a look at the pressure, exhaust, and temperature sensor, I can just click here and filter out engine oil, oil pressure, click these gauges, and I'll be able to check live measurements. All these ranges are set by the manufacturer. If I have any trigger, I will get system alerts to just see some of the measurements under certain test and road conditions, right? I can even save these measurements onto the diagnostic reports. I can even graph the signals on the sensors and valves, and I can perform different test road conditions to be able to identify if I get any faults during performing the tests. I can come here and see vehicle vessel data depending on the engine configuration. Let's say this is a 4.4 liter Tier 3 emission standard. I can search the technical information on the specifications, engine identification plate, more generic information. I can check engine distribution. All of this is completely technical data: displacement, maximum revolutions, duty cycle, 4 strokes, firing orders, margins, compression, compensations, and balance. I can also see engine distribution, gears, belts, fuel system or supply. We're going to be generating diagnostic reports. We can have all the measurements and functions and measurements that we perform, test. Everything will be registered under this diagnostic report, in which we can just export it into our local files as a PDF.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.